In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix voicemail unavailable on iPhone after iOS 27 update. Let's get started. First, launch settings. Then scroll down and head over to the option apps. From the list of apps, find phone and launch it. Now select live voicemail. If the live voicemail is already enabled, turn it off. Wait about 10 seconds and then turn it back on. This refreshes the voicemail service and can often resolve temporary issues. Next up, navigate to the option Wi-Fi calling. If your carrier supports it, you'll need to toggle on for this option. Next up, head back. Go to the main page of settings. Now navigate to the option Cellular. Activate your SIM or mobile plan, turn it off for a few seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes your connection to your carrier's network. Next up, launch your control center. Enable airplane mode for about 20 seconds, then disable it. This reconnects your iPhone to your carrier and often fixes temporary network-related voicemail problems. Next thing you want to do is launch settings. Then head over to the option screen time. Now here, navigate to the option content and privacy restriction. In case you have toggle on for the option all restriction, you will need to disable it. Now check whether your voicemail starts working again. Some restrictions can occasionally interfere with phone service. Next thing you want to do is launch your phone app. Then click on three bars. If you see the option to switch between unified view and classic view, try changing the view. Some users have reported that their missing voicemail reappeared after switching between these layouts. Next, check for software updates, so launch settings. Go to general, go to software update. If any new updates are available for your device, just update it. Likewise, you can head back, scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset network settings and complete the process. After you try all these steps, your voicemails would reappear in your device. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.